Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be me testing out Nikkietutorials. I wanted to recreate some of her looks because they are so iconic. Step we're gonna do is cover the brows. If you have we have these brows to take the Coty Airspun. Oh, I'm going in with the Infallible 32 Amber. I've used this. So now that I practically look almost dead, I'm just gonna go into the white shade in the Crayolan color wheel ultra foundation or whatever, and I'm just gonna stamp that in here, and I'm just gonna go all over the face again. I'm going to go in with this darker plum kind of shade, and I'm going to go into the new crease. Now I'm going to go in with a lighter pink shade, and I'm going to just glaze the tops so that it blends. So I'm going in with this orange here, and I'm going to go into the inner corner and the outer corner. Go in with a cream highlighter in the center of the lid. add some mascara. I don't have falsies like she does. Blend out the eyes, so I'm using the same shadow. So now I'm gonna take a highlight, the same shade we used to highlight. And I'm going into the Graffiti Treats palette again. It's in person. But yeah, enjoyed it. And please subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah.